Oh my God, it's so deep. No, that's his car? Oh my God, no. No. Poor guy. Two people digging now. No way. You have it? What? You gonna dig? They're gonna dig as well. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is horrific. Oh my God.